Hey there, campers! Here's how to get coarse metal in Outbound. To get coarse metal, you first need to unlock the metal smelter, which will first appear after you download 7 other blueprints. Then you'll have to get coarse ore using a level 2 pickaxe, something you can unlock around the mid to late game. You can get the ore at the rock quarry, which is on the far right side of the first map, east of the windmill and north of Sunbeam Acres Farm. Once you've got enough ore, build a metal smelter under the Workstations tab's Material Processing section. After you place it on top of a counter, interact with it, and you'll find the recipe for coarse metal. 1 coarse metal costs 1 coarse ore. Just click on the recipe to queue up an order for it, then click on the red button in the middle to begin processing. When production is done, just collect the coarse metal from the smelter's output window, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.